Giant na giant talaga. Buddy!
Oh, masyado. Kapagod.
Cham! Cham! Mami Cham Cham! Oh, ang ganda-ganda naman ng aming Mami Cham Cham. Ang likot. Nako, nandun na naman siya.
Oh, the world feels so free with you right next to me, running wild and feeling grand, all friends in the same.
Jack!
In the afternoon, we find the shade beneath
Ano
the
yung ninangat-ngat mo na naman?
Kasoy. Yung paborito niya.
joyful
I love you, Cotton.
sight, so sweet to
Pag mong tatawagin.
with wagging tails and playful bonds. We chase the butterflies.
Cotton! Ano
Simple joys of a dawn.
Cotton, likot ng Cotton. Ayan, chinalas ng mama mo ah.
Oh, the world feels so free with you right next to me, running wild and feeling grand. All friends in the same.
Nako, sapatos nga. Hindi, yung kabiyak naman daw.
As the sun begins to set, we
Ano
walk
siya?
the winding
Pico!
side by side with happy hearts and a bond that will prevail.
Go!
Oh, the world feels so free.
Tangkad nga ni Pico eh.
Right next to me, running wild and feeling grand.
Pico!
All friends
Pico,
in
Pico!
the same. Oh, the world feels so free with you right next to me, running wild.
Bana, bana ko bet.
All friends in the same.
Payo naman sa akin. Halika, Bana! Bana!
As the sun
Bana.
begins to set, we walk the winding trail, side by side with
Bana.
happy hearts and a bond that will
Ang
prevail.
ganda naman ng aming Bana.
As the
Bana!
sun begins
Halika
to
dito, wag ka
set,
dyan.
we walk the winding
Patawagin mo.
trail, side by side with happy hearts
Tanggal yan,
and a
tanggal.
bond
Ay,
that
nangat-ngat
will
na.
Nalunok na. Nalunok na yun. Excited yan. Bana? Excited yan?
Oh, the world
I
feels
love you, Bana.
you right next
Uy.
to me, running wild and feeling
Uy, chinilas na naman.
friends in the same.
May kita sa loob. Yan, dumiki na naman.
So free,
I love you, Bana.
right next to me, running wild and feeling great. All friends in the same.
Bato? Bato? Ang laki ng katawan. Nagmana sa kanyang daddy body. Grabe. Kashi. Kamukha talaga siya ni Buddy. Kamukha ni Buddy.
Kasi,
In the morning dew we
Oh,
roll
hawakan mo na, dali. Oh.
with paws upon the
Pag hinawakan naman.
kasi,
my fluffy friend by my side, watching as the
Pag hinawakan
moments
naman,
pass.
sobrang bait. Yan oh.
With wagging tails and
Sobrang bait
playful
naman.
barks, we chase the butterflies.
kasi,
In the simple
Teka,
joys of a
kasi,
dog's day underneath the clear blue sky.